In this lesson, we are going to handle the delete operation. And for that, what we are going to do is add a form here with a button called delete, and that delete button will submit a post request, and that will delete the particular task. So let's get back to the editor and figure out how we can do that. Let's go to our app.py file, and here we are going to add a new route. Just like the edit method, the first thing that we are going to do inside the delete method is we are going to fetch the particular to-do by using the filter by method. And once we get the to-do, we can execute the delete method. Here we are executing the delete method on session, and we are passing the to-do here. So this will delete this particular to-do, and after that, to save the changes into the database, we are executing the commit method. And once that is done, we are going to create a flash message. And then we are going to redirect the user to the root URL. Let's save this, and in order to make it work, let's go to todo.html, and as discussed, here we are going to add a form. So here our form is ready, and that contains the action URL for to delete method, and here we are passing the to-do ID. And inside this form we are having a single input, which is basically the submit button. So let's save it, and now if we visit the browser, we can see the delete button is here, and if you click on inspect, you can see the form action is like delete / the to-do ID. And the same for this one also. So let's try to delete something. So here it is showing the method is not allowed for the requested URL. Here we are getting this URL because the method is not allowed, and we have submitted a post request. So our method is post here, but we have not explicitly tell the Flask application that this route should be used to handle only the post request. So let's get back to the editor and add the methods list. Here we have added a condition. If the request method is post, only then we are going to execute the delete operation, generate the flash message, and going to redirect the user to the root URL. If this is a GET request, then in that case we are going to return a string called not supported. Now let's get back. And if you try now, here it is working. It's showing the flash message and our data is removed. You also know that Flask supports two other methods, put and delete. We could use here the delete method, but in that case, we need to use an API application because our browsers are still limited to GET and POST request only.